to my channel. So I washed my Trendy Tresses hair. This was actually my first time washing any kind of crochet hair. I was getting a lot of questions, and I know you guys, if you didn't ask the question, you were probably just thinking, could this be vacation hair? Would I be all right going swimming in this hair, or getting it wet, or taking a shower? How do I wash it? All that kind of stuff. So I was actually not going to wash his hair or anything like that, because I don't keep my hair in very long, but I kept it in longer than usual for you guys. And I must say I actually still love it. So the last part of this video will just be like me showing you exactly everything that I did, from getting into the shower, out of the shower, separating the hair, how I dried it, all that kind of stuff. So just stay tuned till the end. The only cons that I do have is I did find that the softness went away just a bit, which I actually expected that, so it wasn't that big of a deal to me. It wasn't like a complete shock, and it's not like it's super hard or crunchy or anything like that. I did go ahead and also apply some mousse from Lotta Body on this hair, because you guys were wondering as well, could you apply product to this hair? Even though I'm not a big fan of applying my products that I use on my natural hair to synthetic hair, I went on ahead and did it, and I kind of feel like the product that I used just made the hair a little bit harder. However, it made it a little bit harder, creating a little bit more hold and definition. So it's kind of like a you know, it's whatever in my opinion. I did feel this side in the video, and then I felt this side, and I did notice without any product it was a difference as far as softness of the hair once I applied the product on this side and when I didn't on that one. So to wash my hair, to wash my scalp, because that's really what you're focusing on. You don't too much care about cleansing this hair unless you have been in the ocean or the pool or something like that, and you're still gonna have this on your head for, you know, some weeks to come. Then yeah, I definitely would understand you wanting to just cleanse everything. However, if you are just, you know, you haven't been swimming, or you haven't been in any kind of water, you just really want to cleanse your scalp, you can just put whatever your heart desires in this little bottle to cleanse your hair, whether that is your apple cider vinegar mix, or your maybe just a co-wash in water, shake it up, apple cider vinegar and water, shake it up, something that's diluted, pretty much your shampoo with water. Make sure you really take your time in cleansing your hair. I would definitely wait as long as possible to cleanse your scalp or to get this hair wet. I didn't have any more hair left over from this install, so you can either do two things. You can do like I did and just focus on your edges and be done with it. Or if you want to refresh like your front or whatever, and you don't have any, I would suggest taking some out in the back or in the middle, wherever you have the heaviest amount of hair, and taking that hair, maybe moving it to the front after you've kind of combed through it and all that kind of stuff, and redoing your front. If you do have some hair left over, definitely take that hair, a couple pieces, and, you know, pull a little bit of those loose hairs that have fallen and you got a little bit too much baby hair. Like I could have did that over here if I had some left, but pull those back and then tie, you know, go ahead and crochet those in to make it a little bit smoother. Other than that, you guys, I am very pleased. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please put them down below. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. And that's it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.